Hey, how you doing, guys? So today we're gonna show you guys how you can replace your air filter. I have three cars at the shop to show you guys. Mostly it's the same thing, but I want to show the three different cars. So this one, let me put this thing here. This one is gonna be, okay. This one is a Ram 1500. So that's the air box. We have a clip over here, another one right here, one, two, and one in the back. So one here, one over here, third one, and fourth. So we just put it away like this and take it off the air filter. See this one, it's already on the time to replace. We're gonna replace this one because we're gonna do a tune-up on this truck. So when you got the air filter, the new one, you put it in the same way you take it off. This is so easy to do, but most people in the community don't know how to do it, and that's because I want to show you guys those simple repairs first. Doesn't make sense we started with difficult repairs if you don't know the basics. So you put it back, the clips. This one is a little bit heavy, make sure you use the glove for this one. So we got here a Sonata. We're also gonna do a paint job. Let me show you here. Okay, I think I can show you. So there you go. Yeah, this one is the same thing. So we got one clip here, another one. Double check if you have in the back. This one we have over here in the back too. One, two. Okay, there we go. Okay, so this one is still clean. Your filter is just like that. It's fine. You don't need to replace. You can just, if you have like something to blow some air to take it off those little dirty, it's fine. So let's put it back. This one. Make sure you put it in the right place. There you go. One, two, three, four. Double check safely and lock up. And I got this another one. It's a Jeep directional key. Let's pop the hood. Okay, this thing here. Okay, we have this one here. Another air box. The same thing. One, two, two. Take it off and take it off the air filter. This one is ready to replace. Also, it's smell oil. So yeah, something's not good. And sometimes you have to check those air filters in the winter because rats like to live inside the air box when it's really cold. Yeah, we already found a bunch of rats on our customers' air box filter. We go back here. Let me see if I can show you guys. Take off this. This just show my face. You see, the little guy. There's those clips. Every car have this. The old cars have screws. Toyotas, Hondas have screws. But you can use a screwdriver. And take it off. But those new cars have those clips. It's easy. See? The one here too. So make sure you guys try it on your own car and make a video, or just comment on the post. Both sides you guys done on your car. Check the air filter, check the cabin filter. Alrighty.